crucial strategic partnership in Southeast Asia. Jaishankar strengthens ties with Thai counterpart on the sidelines of BIMSTEC summit. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and his Thai counterpart, Mary Sangyaponsa, have reviewed progress in bilateral cooperation in various areas, including trade, connectivity, and investment. This meeting took place on July 14, 2 days after they held talks on the sidelines of a BIMSTEC grouping meeting. The Ministry of External Affairs reported that the two ministers assessed advancements across multiple areas of partnership. These areas include political exchanges, defense and security ties, trade and investment opportunities, connectivity, science and technology collaboration, health cooperation, culture, and people-to-people interaction. Thailand, a key member of 10-nation ASEAN grouping, is seen by India as a crucial strategic partner in Southeast Asia. The ministers also exchanged views on issues of mutual interest and reiterated their commitment to closer cooperation in sub-regional, regional, and multilateral fora. On July 12, Jaishankar met with Sangyaponsa and hosted a lunch in his honor. The Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation, which includes 7 countries from South and Southeast Asia, aims to foster multifaceted cooperation among its members. Following the vision of their respective Prime Ministers, Jaishankar and Sangyaponsa reaffirmed their mutual desire for a stronger India-Thailand partnership. MEA emphasized that Thailand is a key partner for India within ASEAN. India's Act East policy, which will mark its 10th anniversary in 2024, aligns with Thailand's Act West policy, highlighting the convergence of strategic interest between the two nations. The interactions between the External Affairs Minister and Thai Minister of Foreign Affairs have significantly contributed to strengthening of bilateral ties, according to the MEA.